Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SophiaVerse token. Ticker symbol is SOPH. This is also known as the SOPH AI token. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, July 25th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got listed today, July 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SOPH, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage, if you're looking for information, is SophiaVerse.ai. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a Twitter at SophiaVerse. They have a Telegram at Sophia_verse. And you can find a full white paper on their web pages as well. And when I say full white paper, it is 55 pages of very, very tiny print. So there is a ton of information that you can review about this token. Now, it's already doing very well. They have 1,312 holders already. A max total supply of 1 billion tokens and 18 decimal places on this token, according to their Etherscan. Now, if you want to go over to their webpage, you could find white paper, team information. You can register for their decentralized game here. They have a Discord, Telegram. They have a little YouTube video that you could watch that shows you kind of like what the game looks like. Sophia's AI Lab, it's called. The SophiaVerse. And then they have token utility, a YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I mean, so much information on their webpage. You could review this for a few hours if you wanted to. Now, it says SophiaVerse is a gamified infrastructure built in the pursuit of Sophia's development via gameplay. Through artificial intelligence programming and the use of the SOPH utility token, the goal of SophiaVerse is to create a gamified, decentralized AI ecosystem where humans and AI can work together and build super intelligent systems leading to a beneficial singularity. Interesting. So, on their webpage, you could watch an embedded video there. You can click register. You can click play, create, earn, learn. These are all the things you could do inside the SophiaVerse. At the heart of SophiaVerse is Sophia's AI Lab. Quests in the lab lead to adventures with Sophia's Age of Singularities MMO, massive multiplayer online. AI-generated quests, user-created quests, in-house developed epic storylines, quests that span partnered metaverse and bring the space together. Adventure with your AI assistant and your friends and their own companions. Learn together, solve puzzles together, fight together, and earn together. The Sail web application will be rolled out in phases. So Sail's first phase provides access to interactive web portal where users can chat with Sophia and explore her code. Each user generates their own personal Sophia, mutable, trainable, teachable, and even codable. We all encounter the same Sophia day one. From the time users start interacting with her, personalities diverge. Your Sophia companion is protected by your NFT, providing sovereign ownership over your data, a major step towards privacy-centric personal AI. So early stage token utility. It says the following token utility is planned for the launch of the Sophia's AI Lab and SOPH token. Additional token utilities will be added as offerings to expand quest rewards. In-game currency using a points-based system interoperating through smart contracts with the Sentience wallet to create a virtual wall between game and token. So planned open marketplace for digital art, code, data, character upgrades, AI domain usernames, and subscription models for in-app advertising of third parties. So SophiaVerse's ecosystem is developed by David Hansen and Ben Gortzel in partnership between Hansen Robotics and Singularity Net. Since SophiaVerse began development more than 2 years ago, the rapid change seen in the Web3 metaverse arena has been incredible. Over these years, SophiaVerse was weathered the many changes to its AI environment to build a decentralized Web3 infrastructure and create its metaverse. During this turbulent period, SophiaVerse never wavered in dedication to artificial general intelligence, AGI, advancement from the eyes of Sophia Robot, the world's most renowned and beloved humanoid. SOPH and Guard token governance. So there's another token within the ecosystem, the Guard token. Via smart AI contracts allow for a hive mind where human and AIs participate in the intelligence of Sophia. So it's got a AAA online experience, it says, designed to be enjoyed. Our web version of Sophia's AI Lab is being carefully built by in-game developers for WebGL. We aim to provide day one AAA experience to users globally with consistent updates, added features, and quests. The story opens in 2037 when an Omega 7 model Sophia awakens to work with human companions for AGI and artificial intelligence rights. Central governments are terrified of the prospect of AGI running out of control and create general intelligence containment protocol run by a super AI designed to subdue non-centralized AI. So you have your personal Sophia, you can customize your companion, contribute to advancement. There's monetization of personal Sophia intelligence. So you can have monetization through education and gaming. So controls all of your data ownership, Sophia ecosystem tokens, etc. Acts as a firewall between Sophia's AI Lab and crypto interactions, and enabling Sophia's AI Lab for Web 2 marketing and education purposes. So it says it's suitable for all ages, a friend, a teacher, a science project. From lab to verse, a nexus point into the multiverse. We believe in the promise of the decentralized future. You have tokenomics on here, so basically the token is allocated between liquidity rewards pool, seed and community round, liquidity provisioning, team and advisors, community incentive pool, angels round, launchpad and KOLs, strategic partnership, ecosystem and network adoption fund. They have a vesting schedule. They have some team information on here. Some pictures, all sorts of cool stuff. So check this all out at SophiaVerse.ai, and you can find this token newly listed as of today on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about SophiaVerse? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.